Yesterday's rally being met by some selling. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S update coming to you from Las Vegas. This is Tuesday, March the 2nd, and this update is sponsored by our friends at Tradier Brokerage. And of course, Tradier Brokerage, we do have other brokers, but Tradier, $10 a month. We've got their APIs, which allows us to offer you free automation if you choose, based on our portfolio trades. If you'd like to, no requirement. It's your choice, no extra fee. It's part of the membership. And if you'd like to check out Tradier, please email me at bub@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you their information. In the meantime, the markets are lower today. Now, this is actually take two of this update because the first one had no sound. And we've actually rallied back quite a bit since take one, but the markets are still down. And the Dow is still down about 50. S&P is down about 14. NASDAQ is down about 120. So we are seeing some pressure and some selling in these markets. Actually, the Russell's down over 300. So still under some pressure. In the meantime, again, we're still long. And of course, benefit from yesterday. And, the signal, it's weak and the markets look crappy. But, we're not going to forecast when the rally is going to end. In the meantime, you take a look at the metals. And of course, we're still short gold. And of course, we shorted silver. And gold is a touch higher this morning, but it's been on both sides, and it looks awful. I mean, we expect a rally. I mean, we'd like to find another rally to sell more. Silver looks okay, but it's obviously looks like it's in a downtrend. Platinum remains strong, and we remain long it. The bonds and notes are slightly higher today. You expect a little bit of a rally after that major beatdown they've been taking for months. But I believe the bond traders are not done yet fighting, and they're going to continue to fight the Fed and push rates higher, which, is going to create some grief for everybody. And we'll see who eventually wins that battle. But I don't think it's over yet. And the dollar is lower. And, of course, we're short dollars, but there's not really any much going on there. The dollars, are just really churning back and forth in a small range. So for now, we're short and it is lower. Copper is back on the move again for the last couple of days. After the end of last week's major sell-off, it has now started to recover. And of course, it's still on a solid uptrend. We're still long. Net gas is higher. We're a little bit long. Crude continues to battle. And when I did the last update, crude was down. On this update, crude is now up already, which is what we said. It's going to continue to churn around. This is typical action at a potential turning point in any market. Heavy volume or lots of price movement around certain price points. So we'll see where that ends up going. In the meantime, the grain markets have suddenly made a nice recovery. And, corn's up about 8 cents and beans and wheat are up about 18 cents respectively, the same. So, suddenly yesterday's sell-off is now today's rally. And that's another market that just shows you that it's in consolidation and it wants to go higher. The meats, feeder cattle is lower. Live cattle or fat cattle is higher. And hogs are getting smushed. But we expected to see a sell-off in hogs at some point because they're not going to go straight up. We always expect it. Remember, we are from the motto of be prepared, not surprised. And taking a look at the softs, it's very simple. They're all down. Okay. Now, our positions are we're short cotton, short OJ, long coffee, short sugar as of today, and, of course, still long cocoa. In the meantime, again, just be careful. It's a tough market right now. It's getting ready to do something, and it could go to new highs. I mean, but it looks more like it's the bubble popping. But again, we could see all-time new highs. I'm not saying that it cannot be done. So just be careful. Discipline and patience and preparation always take care of business. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner at the CTG Group for commodities and futures. Of course, they're our only partner that is allowed to use our algorithms. And of course, we have other brokers, but for our algorithms, we use them. They do all of our letter of direction trading. They're the only ones authorized for that. And they do trade my accounts as well. Every account that I have is traded through them. Okay. So and they do the auto letter of direction trading for me. So I love them. They're great. CTG Group. You can check them out. And if you need information, just send me an email, bubba@bubbatrading.com, and I'll take care of it for you. And of course, our great partners at Family Farms. Of course, we both got the same goals in mind to help our farmers. And of course, tomorrow I'm doing a great webinar for them and an event that hopefully next time will be in person. I'm getting tired of virtual events, but tomorrow it'll be virtual. But I'm excited to do it and excited to meet with farmers even virtually. And don't forget about our commodity report, and of course Andy Heck Technomental, unbelievable report. But Saturday, him and I are doing a webinar together, which is going to remake this, and I think everybody will enjoy it. So I think that if you want to come and visit, all you got to do is go to bubbatrading.com and get the link, and you can sign up for it or email me, and I will send you the invitation. It's free. It's free to watch. You get some education. And in the meantime, don't forget about Patreon, our school helper. I do fund not over 90% of the school funding, but people from Patreon have helped. So if you want to help us out, go to patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day. Be careful. And as I say, be prepared, not surprised. Bubba's Day update for Tuesday. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.